So today, I'm going to be talking to you about agents. These agents. It's a really new trend that's emerging, and it's actually performing exceptionally well, really impressively so far. Today, I'm going to show you precisely how you can go about finding them, locating them. There are, of course, various places. There are multiple distinct ways to actually find these, but you will see today it's actually quite straightforward, surprisingly easy even, to establish a solid strategy for locating them effectively. First and foremost, a very important thing to know, we need to ask ourselves, are these agents really that cool? Are they worth our attention? So it comes right here. I've actually created a comprehensive list, a complete overview for you. If we take a look at this one, for example, the SWAM, it has achieved a truly remarkable 5x. Wait, actually, it's a 50x, so a 50-time return. This means that, if you had put in $1,000, it would have become $50,000, which is, you see, you just take the highest number here, the highest multiple. And so to understand how many x's it has made, you simply look at the last two zeros, the final two digits of the multiple. So in essence, the SWAM has accomplished a 50 times gain, a 50x, since its very inception or launch. And it really hasn't been that long at all, relatively speaking. It seems it was launched on the 27th of this month. So we're talking about a mere 10 days, perhaps 12 days, and a 50x performance for the SWAM. Then we have the IASIZ, which you can see over here, all the way to the right. Yes, we can see it quite clearly. You can observe it on the right-hand side. Looking at the titles, this one has achieved a 20x return, a 20 times gain, all the way back from November 25th, or perhaps it was November 28th. And then there's PPN, which was a particular trade that we in fact took here at our group, where we made a 57% profit. But if we actually look at the overall gain it has made, you take the highest value, the peak performance, and you compare it to the starting point. In any case, it has still managed to produce a rather impressive 64x,